Now I'm gonna go ahead and try to fly with my hands on extreme wind. There's a way to do it too. Always do it from the back where the wind is blowing it. See right now, and then now you can let go. So, all right. So never. You don't wanna. You see that when the drone is facing that direction, you don't wanna catch it, or you don't wanna launch it in front of you. Do it with the drone all the way in the back, like that. This is easier. But anyway. Woohoo! This is extremist right now. Probably blowing like maybe around like 40s or 30s, 35s or something. I think so. Right now I'm there in sport mode. He still does it. It still moves. Now, when I put it in the sport mode, this thing fly like butter, man. Look at that. Woohoo! Fast. It's quick. Very quick. Wow. Woo! So double the speed here. Look at that. Oh, look, go we go. Wow. Woo! It's a drifter.